I'm about to share my screen now. With, for most of us that joined the US class, what is on my screen currently? So if you can see my screen, can you just signify? Let me know. Just signify in the chat box if you can see my screen.
I can.
So for most of us that joined the US class, well, I guess we're also familiar with this interface. Okay, it's not new to us. We also familiar with it. So this is what we're going to be doing basically. So this is the app looking going to be one of the biggest gospel or largest online collection of gospel release. So basically, we're going to be having like let's see, one, two, three pages. Okay. So for this night, we might be able to accomplish this first one, and I don't know how fast we can do. Okay. So how do we start? Okay. So for us to start working on projects like this, first of all, you have to first understand what the whole project is about. Okay. So for this one, I think we've sang about it long enough. We all know what we're working on already. So that's that. So the next thing you're going to do is understand the flow chart, like how does this app move from where to where, down to that. So if you're looking at this, I think this is the first or the welcome page. This is where you get this is, they call this home page. So this is where you are prepared post, okay? Like this is what when you log in on the site, this is the first thing that appears to you. Then from here, when you start a new takes you to this page, then you that like that. Okay, so and from this place we can check, click on team members. So people that team members are we that are working on this side and this page. So just a basically new page website. This one will be rendered dynamically. This one will be rendered um based on the team that being searched. Okay? So tonight we can this project is not a very big project like in terms of pages, you know, in terms of pages. I'm currently working on a project that is um over maybe something pages, both admin some super admin and cloud pages. So this one is actually like something we can cover up in very, very short period of time. So let us just get it. So the next step after we've understood the flow chart or how the app works, the next thing we want to know, or the next thing we do is to create a folder for that project. Okay, create the project for that. So if you want to work in teams, okay, like I want to work in teams, I and Vera and other, okay. There's something known as it's can be for okay, but I don't want to just want to dance, just understand that we are going to do. So there's sometimes that I would not be good in where I would continue from where I stopped. Git and GitHub their version tracker and what does that mean? It means that if I stop here today and I push just like I push it to Facebook, let's just use not Facebook is not the perfect example, okay, but let's just do that. The Vera can go and pull whatever I've done into a local device and continue from where I stopped. There's not going to be any difference. I think that she manages it completely, manages it very well. And once she's done, she can push back and I pull and when I merge, no conflict, seamless. Okay, so but don't bother yourself about that information because I don't think I'm going to still do that in this class. So you can always pick it up, always on YouTube. I mean, so many materials are available for that. So can we just get started? So, like I said, the first thing to do was create a folder here. So, and that folder is very putting all the work. So, before I created a name for this class, I had done something. Um, I've done something for that already. So now I just need the folder. I think this is a Code4jesus projects. Okay, there's nothing in the folder, and folder is completely empty. So the next step is for us to open this folder on our VS Code. Okay, so this is like Visual Studio Code. Okay, and on Visual Studio Code, for us to open the folder, I just click on File, Open Folder, and then click on Jesus projects and files. So for the course of this app or for the development of this app, I'm going to be playing. I'm not going to be writing any internal CSS. I'm not going to be writing any internal JavaScript. Okay. So I'm going to be creating separate files for the JavaScript. So let's just start from that. So let's just start from, let's take for HTML. So for HTML, that's home page. Can either name it home.css or I just prefer with this index.html here to index.html. Okay, and I think there are two other pages there, and there's one for team members and so on and so forth. But let's just do that for now. Then the next thing we have to do is create a CSS file. So we can name the CSS file whatever we like, but make sure it ends with style and make sure it ends with .css. Okay, just like HTML should end with .html and JavaScript should end with .js. Okay, they're using TypeScript and .js. So let us move forward. So I just want us to use basic convention of naming. Let's just use style.css here. Okay. Now, can name whatever you want to style.css. I don't keep the coding along, but just style.css. Then for our JavaScript, we can name it. For our JavaScript, you can name it whatever we like. You can name it script.js. This is just the basic convention. I'm not doing name it anything we like. So for index.js, the first thing I want to do basically is to do this young man here. I usually do every time shift and one is enter and put to go. So now remember when I was teaching beginning of HTML, I specified or I talked about what this title does. Okay. So for this okay, let's leave it for now. Maybe over time we'll put something. But let's just start something here. So for this index.html, this is like the welcome page. Let us see the content of this welcome page first before we move forward. And looking at this, there's can tell that I don't think I can tell you. Okay, so you can tell that there's a section here. Okay, and there's so we can just call this section here our navbar. Okay, I just call it navbar. So on and so forth. So let's just start by creating that section. So we can just either use let's use a div. A div is an element. Not element. Yes. So some people usually write codes like this. They write something like shader and name. I don't think I subscribe to that anyway, but I'm going to be creating a new tag anyway. Then for that the first part, I can also use navbar. The navbar is also an element. Navbar. Also an element too. So this nav will just contain what's there. I think what's there should be well for me. Just welcome. So for this one, we also type in so that should be a page for okay. Welcome. Okay. So this main part now is what will contain this thing. So what is the content of this main part? We have heading, then paragraph, then search box. Very simple to do. So let us just move to it straight away, okay? So in this main part, we have this, the largest online whatever. So we can just copy this in. Okay, I think we know what this is now. This is Figma, okay? If you don't know what Figma is, we just hear Figma for the first time. Can you just simplify it? Let me know if I should explain what Figma is. They just say Figma for the first time. Just simplify the chat box so you can turn on your mind, even the mind. Just knowing what Figma is. Okay, nobody, that means we all know what Figma is anyway. So let's just move forward. So we can just copy this thing here from here. Okay. I see the largest, just copy. Okay, and just copy. So in the main now, we have probably an image because we used to the image. So I'll just paste it here. Okay. Okay. So what else? We have another, I think it should be paragraph. Let me just call it a paragraph. In the paragraph should be below the manner of whatever. Okay, so just we can also copy it from here. Copy. Okay. The paragraph just after checking paragraph. So if you look at our let me if you look at here, consider this First John 3:1, whatever. This Bible stuff here is a different color from what we have. Okay, so we can just create a span and place that one with this First John 3:1. Place it in a span so that we can be able to style it differently. The span is also an element, the inline element. Okay, so we can now place it here. Okay, so I see the paragraph and element. Okay, good. We are good to go. Then looking at this HTML, this now, there's something else here. I think this is what an input field. Okay, this is the input field. So how do we do this? Very simple. In HTML or yes, in HTML, I don't know, we're taught there's something called um, form. Yes, form. So you can just pick a form. Okay. So in the form, we will now create it and input. Okay. And so for so I think if we just save this thing and see how far we've gone, and see how beautiful web development is. So if I run, oh, I thought it's not like that. Okay. So yes, this is the skeleton of our work without uh, CSS. I don't know, sometimes I guess we will come across something like this that maybe we are trying to load the page and we see something like this without color, images are showing in a very haphazard way. It's because for some reason the CSS do not load. Okay, so that's what you are seeing. This is like the skeleton of the field of okay. This is just like the backbone. Then the CSS will not add the style. You just like when you. I'm very sorry for the ladies in this meeting. Just like I don't know how to sound, but I'm going to say it anyway. Just like you see a lady wake up in the morning and she's looking like, oh God, what is that? Then after like 30, 40, okay, they don't think they have part of the time. They take so much time. After like 1 hour, they're beginning to look beautiful. That's what CSS does. So basically, the HTML is like how the lady wakes up in the morning looking so uh, not so fine. Then when you now begin to apply makeup and everything, that's like CSS. Okay. So let us just proceed. I'm very sorry for using that example. When I look up on my neck. Okay, let's just move forward. Okay, so looking at the Figma file here, we have one more thing. There's something in this Figma file that what is there? Okay, there's something inside. So what is inside this Figma file is known as placeholder. Known as the placeholder, and there's another button under. So this button, you get this button. I'll put this placeholder. So for placeholder now, placeholder, like when I was teaching this thing, when I was teaching attributes, yes, I've always been very stressing on this attribute. I know the reason I actually took my time to build HTML and I explained what attribute. So there's an attribute known as a placeholder. So like I said, attribute has three parts here. Attribute name, go through, and the value quotation mark here. So yeah, the value in quotation mark of this attribute is whatever is going to show in that place. Okay, now let me take this example. Okay, just imagine that I don't know, growing up, there are sometimes that okay, my mom used to farm, okay, in one man and like that. So we were just farming there, just like subsistence kind of farming, not like commercial farming. So the man just gave us the land to farm, and one day he just came and said he wants to do this place. So we were just placeholder. We were just holding the place for a while. Yeah, I guess that's the matter they don't know what the placeholder is. Just like maybe I don't want to use example. Let me just like just like maybe you want to you got to church on time, okay, and you want to take maybe the back seat. I like back seat anyway. So you just want to do something to the market that okay, I've been somebody is here, you now drop your Bible, maybe you go out, stand, run out. Okay. That Bible there is serving as a placeholder. The moment you're ready to sit down, you take the Bible off. So that's how it is. So the value we're going to place in between the quotation mark is going to be what's going to show at the front end page. So let us say I want to write hello chicken, hello. Let's just so looking at this now, once we know this page now, you can see that there's hello here. Now this hello is serving as a placeholder. The moment we begin to type in something now, the hello disappears. So it's just there for like by just giving we'll just stay there, stay there for a while. When we need to throw you away. So something like that. So that's right. So let's look at our URLs. I think what we have here is saturate. Am I too fast? I think I'm not too fast. Am I too fast? Let's do the chat box. You can look on your mind first. You think I need to slow down. You can slow down to the fire. Yes, I'm doing nothing. So let's look. So in this case here now, we have progress. So in this case now, we have searching. So you can just even copy it. Searching. You can also come and paste it here. So moving forward, one more thing. I'm sorry, somebody's trying to speak. Who's that, please? Okay, that I should not proceed then.
I think you can carry on.
So there is a button after the input. Okay, so let's just add the button. Okay, button. So what is the content of the button? Let me see. I think it's just search. Can just copy it here. Okay, copy and let's go back to paste it. So I think let's give this an ID class name. Let's give the class name. Okay, because like I'm going to be some other buttons on the page. So let's just give the button the class. So let's give the search BTM, the class name of search BTM. Okay, that's cool. So one more thing. Let me see what else. What is there again? There's this last part here. This needs our team members. Click here. Okay. So now we do something similar again. The click here is going to be what expand. Just copy the whole everything. Sorry, the whole everything. But you get the point. You copy the whole text. So we'll just paste it there. So after the form, okay. Right. So you might actually create a div for this people once. We do that. Let me see. Let me see. Wait. Um,
Yeah, we can.
okay, let's just create. So let's create one more div, and that div will contain that paragraph. And the paragraph is, and I think there's something like click there. That should be the same. Okay, so let me see what we have. Um, okay, probably almost everything that we have on the page. So now, this is the lady that also called her hair. They're looking like the masculine. Okay, so let's beautify her a little. Okay, let's try to make her look fine. Okay, so how do we do that now? For us to do that, we have to apply something known as our cascading style sheet known as CSS. I don't think I need to explain that. It's very very because of the class. I'm sure we're there. So cascading style sheet basically it's styling. We let's just start with that. So I think we've created a file for that already. Yes, that's the style the CSS. So one more thing, let's just do something. It's advisable you always do this when you start your CSS. Um, margin zero, margin zero. I think we all know what margin is. So for all of us, let me just repeat our memory. Margin is the space around an element, outside an element. So the space between the border and maybe the edge of the container or the edge of the screen or another element known as the border. Okay, why padding space between the border and